Let's see how to solve the circuit. The question is, what is the current through the 5 ohm resistance in the circuit? Here is the circuit. This is the 5 ohm resistance. We have to find out the value of I. This is which go through the 5 ohm resistance. In the circuit, the 5 ampere current source is here and 10 ampere current source is here. We have to simplify the circuit. The current source have to change into a voltage source. Now here this is the circuit. I have already simplified the circuit. The 4 ohm resistance is parallel across the 5 ampere current source, and here is the 6 ohm resistance are across the 10 ampere current source. Now how to change the current source into voltage source? Here the 4 ohm will be multiply 5 ampere current. Now the 5 ampere into 4 equals to 20 volt. Now the polarity of the voltage source can be defined by the direction of the current source, and the 4 ohm resistance which is across the 5 ampere current source, it will be series with the 20 volt supply, and here will be same. The 6 ohm will multiply into 10 ampere current source. So here 6 ohm into 10 equals to 60 volt, and the 6 ohm resistance will be series with the 60 volt supply. Here the 6 ohm resistance are in series with 60 volt supply. Now we can apply the KVL in the mesh. The mesh is A, B, C, D. I have drawn the direction of the current is here. So apply KVL in the mesh A, B, C, D. Now the direction of the arrow, first get the minus sign of the 20 volt. So we write the minus 20, and then the arrow get the direction here. This is here is 4 ohm resistance, 5 ohm resistance, and 6 ohm resistance. The total resistance is 15 ohm. The resistance here are in the series connection, so total will be 15 ohm resistance. So we can write plus 15I, and then the arrow comes to the plus sign, the positive sign of the 60 volt. So plus 60 equals to 0. As the rule, we know V equals to IR. So we can write the equation from here. Now 15I equals to 40, and I equals to 40 by 15, and 5 to cancel, 3 and 5, 8. So 8 by 3. So equals to, here equals to 2.66 ampere. So here the current, the value of the current I which goes through the 5 ohm resistance, the value of I is 2.66 ampere. So the correct option is C is correct.